Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, you are highly welcome. My name is Sylvia. I'm a YouTuber based in Russia. As for my amazing returnees, thank you all so much for always coming back to watch me. Thank you for the like, share, comment, everything you guys do for me. I love you guys so far. In today's video, I will be taking you guys with me to shop from a shop called Befree. Yes, guys, it's a shop here you can get your clothes, shoe, accessories, anything you think of. So I'll be going there today to get one or two things, and I want to carry you guys along. And when I come back, I will do a boxing, show you guys the things that I got. But I want to do this intro before leaving the house. So far, let's just go together, okay? Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me. So guys, I'm here. Let me give you guys a little tour. Yeah, so this is the shop. You guys saw the name already. It is called Befree. Yeah. Guys, I love this leather. I love it. I don't know, maybe I'll be going home with this one. And they have it in 2 colors. Wow. It's even on sale, guys. Look at Target 800, 799. So just 1 ruble. I don't know. Let me look around and look for. I need a dress. Yeah, but not this Miri Amaka. This one is Miri Amaka dress. Oh, this 2-piece is also nice. This 2-piece trouser, and the shirt is, yeah, I have a problem. This 2-piece is nice also, but the shirt is discouraged. The top, fine blazer. All right, guys. Let me go ahead with the shopping, and I will come back to you guys. Oh my goodness, look at this one. Look at this. This is a jumpsuit. This is a jumpsuit. Wow, I love it. They have it in black. They have it in lemon and this blue. Let me see how much they are selling it. Here's the price. Guys, I can't see the price here. This one, there's no price tag here. Okay, I've seen it. It's sold for 3,000 rubles. And it's not bandage. But it's a bit expensive for 3,000 rubles. Like, who does that? Befree and Love Republic, they are usually expensive because it's owned by Tatiana, I think. Yes. The founder of those fashion is from Russia here, Tatiana by name. So she is the founder of Befree and Love Republic. Yeah, and it's one of the expensive shop here in Russia, before Zara and all that. So yeah, guys, I'll catch up with you guys a little bit. This is what they are always using me to do. You already know you're always behind the scene. I could be behind the scene. Yanika should be behind the scene. Behind the camera. It's behind the camera, not behind the scene. Ruby is going to Damavor. Yeah, this is Damavor. It's where they buy, where they sell home equipment like decors, plates, and everything, couch and all that. It's just like a small IKEA or IKEA, depending on how you call it. But me, I pronounce it IKEA. So, yeah. Ruby, what you said you need? Duvet, right? Blanket. We call it adiala here in Russia. In Russia, duvet, blanket is adiala. So we are looking for adiala. So for my Ruski students out there, guys, I told you guys that this place look like mini IKEA. You can see this place is big. It says best spread, anything, just like IKEA. This one is not thick. This duvet is so soft.
34,000.
Yeah, guys. Just for one duvet is about $60, $60 to $70.
Buy normal one first, later.
And this is not even winter and it's still expensive. This one they have for $100 to $85. Man, this one is big. Oh.
This one is big.
See, Sylvia. Now this type.
Yes, nah. Yes.
Now is now 1.5 something.
No, we use this one. Something to drink. This blue Fanta.
I'm recording and they are buying drink for themselves. For yourself. On your bills. On your bills. So guys, Ruby came here to spoil me. Yeah. She's here to get me my gifts, my birthday gifts. Because she got me a lot of gifts. And now they said they have to give us extra gifts for buying from there, and they are trying to give us either pendant, necklace, or leg chain. Like guys, and these are Siri glowing, like they are GL, not gold, but you can bait with them, do everything with them and all that. So yeah. We're here to get free gift. Look at the shop we are. This is the shop we are. This is where we get this. Ruby got me shoes, got me bag also. I'll be showing you guys. I will do a different video of bossing my birthday gifts. Yeah. Hi fam, welcome back again. So fam, today is the continuation of the video I started yesterday, the one I went to shopping with Ruby. I couldn't end the vlog yesterday, guys. I was so tired yesterday, so today I just said, okay, let me get dressed and do a bossy for you guys and try all the clothes so that you guys will also rate the clothes. I found not only that I got clothes, I still got a tripod yesterday. The one I was using got spoiled, and that one is shorter than, in fact, if I want to do anything or bossy, it's always difficult for me and all that. So I got longer one. Let me show you guys. So this is the tripod over here. Yeah, I got this tripod. Let me open it for we all to see. So yeah, this is it. And I'm sorry guys. So this is how it came in. This one is the one you fix here, and this one up here. We already know how tripods is. We are all YouTubers, so yeah, this is the USB cord, and over here it has a remote. So guys, this is it for the tripod, and let me show you guys the clothes that I got yesterday. And these are the clothes I got yesterday from Befree, and the first one here is a dress. Is a dress, is off shoulder dress. I'll put it on for you guys to see. And this is the first one. The second one is a trouser. Yeah, guys. And I got this top also to go with the trouser. And over here I got this mini dress. It's a leather dress. It's pinafore leather dress. And over here I got another dress also, guys. I will put them all for you guys to see and for you guys to rate. So these are the clothes that I got for myself yesterday. And fam, I got something else, but not for me, they are for my kids. So I got them light blanket to cover because of the sun. The weather is hot. So yeah, I got that these two color, this pink for my daughter and this one for my son. So guys, these are the things I got. Let me just go ahead and change. This is the first outfit I want you guys to rate, and it's this dress. So I decided to style mine like this. You can also do it like this. So both ways you are good to go like this. Either you put the hand up or you drop it down like this. However, you are good to go. And it has this slit over here that, you know, you can rock this dress to maybe party and some churches also. I think you can also rock this dress to church, to shop, anywhere. You are good to go. This summer, this is a goal. So yeah, this is the number one outfit. So guys, this is outfit number two, and it's this black dress right here. I decided to just try it on with these white slippers, and yes fam, this is outfit number two. And I don't know, I think I love this one, but yeah, it's not that free, but this one bring out your shape and everything so well. So this is outfit number two, and this summer we are going to rock it. So guys, this is outfit number three, and like I said, yeah, so I decided to go with boots and black handbag. I don't know which one you think is the best, like the one that suits me most, but this is outfit number three, and I'm loving this one so much because this one is giving me vibe. So far, this is outfit number four and the very last one. And the outfit number four, like I said, is a short dress that you can rock to maybe birthday party or club. And this is the outfit right here. I decided to go with this top also. So yeah, you can do both ways. You can do it like this, depends on the individual. So yeah guys, this is outfit number four, and hope you guys we love this one also. Leave your honest opinion in the comment section below. I want to know which one you think it suits me the most. Is it this number four or third, second or first? Which one you think it suits me the most? Which one do you love? Like for me, I like this one because this one is giving me birthday vibe, club, you know. You just want to hang out, you are good to go. And guys, we are in summer, like the weather is hot right now. This is the time for us to enjoy clothes like this. So yeah guys, I love this one because it makes me feel like I am in my 20s. We bring us to the end of this video. If you watch up to now, don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.